I'm next to him with a Polaroid, getting that same angle.
It's a tunnel journey throughout the entire day.
The tough one to pull off, isn't it?
No one's ever done this before.
Something wrong with the film?
We think with cameras broke.
Kind of got to commit to it now. Choose life, choose a job, choose wedding videography. Choose your family telling you to choose a real job. Choose other filmmakers telling you to choose real filmmaking. Choose a camera. Choose another camera. Choose upgrading your camera every 2 years after the new one comes out and makes yours redundant.
Inspire 2.
Check.
FPVs.
Check.
A92.
Check.
A7R3s.
Check.
A7R4.
Check.
Choose being fed tomato sandwiches whilst the other wedding guests devour a 4-course meal right in front of your eyes.
To Edinburgh we go! Here it comes!
Choose generic wedding day coverage, bride prep, groom prep, first look, ceremony and speeches. Why would we want to do anything like that? We chose something else. And the reasons? There are no reasons. Who needs reasons when you have ideas?
Imagine like getting a book with like a picture of that in there, with the bride turning the pages in the morning, and then it goes like, it cuts back to the scene itself. Kind of fairy tale-y, Harry Potter-y looking book. She's just flipping through these books and we're filming a top down of the hand and the books, looking back at her wedding day. Oh, I got an even fucking better idea then. Let's have we got a Polaroid? Say for example, Josh is doing the first look with Dad, coming down those grand stairs. I'm next to him with a Polaroid, getting that same angle. That's going to be easy to match up, right?
I'm walking backwards down the street in Edinburgh with a landmark. You're with me. You take a Polaroid.
And you take it to the next scene. The Polaroid goes into the next scene.
It's a tunnel journey.
Yes, tunnel journey.
Throughout the entire day.
Can you imagine if we can pull it off? So like the final Polaroids we go into is like the first Polaroid at the beginning of the film. Like just to touch.
Yeah, and it loops. Oh my god, it loops! A fucking 60-second trailer that loops. We're looking for the Polaroid. That's a beast.
What are you using it for?
Oh man.
To make it loop, the end shot and the beginning shot will need to have first and last Polaroid in it with a stitch.
It'd be good to have done at least 1 or 2 Polaroids so that Josh can practice maybe even editing coming out of it. We might find issues.
Yeah, let's just test it.
Again, yeah, we're talking about it again when we should really be testing it.
I am running my Polaroid off a V-mount because I'm too tight to buy batteries. Okay, Els? Okay, wait, just stop. Slow down.
Flash. Something wrong with the film?
We think with cameras broke, so we're going to go back over to the shop and...
8 shots at 5.
Is there any way we could exchange it because we need it for tomorrow? Hey, Jack. Oh, it's 100 times better.
Can you imagine we did this on the day and found out that the camera wasn't working?
As soon as that happened the first time, I would have just called it and said we would have scrapped the whole idea. And we would have just cancelled the
Because
whole
it would have
idea.
distracted us from the wedding.
Yeah.
The thing that worries me now is that because we've just BTS'd this entire idea, we kind of got to commit to it now.
Well, we go big or go home. Might as well spin around and go home if you're not going to do it. Turn out. We are going to meet the client right now, and I want to test the light.
Gear stick.
She's got the roof. I wonder if we can get ask her, can we have access to the penthouse at like sunrise and get some time lapse off that roof?
Yeah, sun's popping.
Is it?
Sunrise tomorrow, yeah.
It is. See the way I look at you is like this.
Not far at all.
Hey, guys, come on in.
Nice to meet you. This is
John.
Yeah, we are. I know. Hi, Ashley.
It's insane. Bro, just send the FPV around that monument a few times and back.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Videographers.
Hi.
How do you?
If you want to make something special and we are just in the middle, please let me know. Hey guys, can you move?
You put some task.
Yeah. Say, hey guys, sorry, it's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
for a second.
Sure.
Yeah.
Same for us, because I know there's a lot of us, but like I said, 5 people won't be in the same room at one time.
Okay, perfect.
They all have different jobs.
It's okay.
The idea is kind of like, at a certain part of a video, I'll take a Polaroid, and then that Polaroid will be in the next scene, and then we will come out of the Polaroid into the next scene. So even though I'm
Like a
taking
transition.
photo, it's like a transition, using this as a video transition. I don't want to offend you guys. I'm in with the Polaroid.
No.
Sorry everyone, I'm a shambles today.
We are good.
Hey! Good to see you. Oh, is that it? Finished?
Yeah, we've been working it out.
I don't want to go back up there. Blimey.
We start very early tomorrow, 8 a.m. Stick it back in here. Please. How about that fucking cracker at dawn?
Chris, time to wake up, get your shoesies on.
Yeah, so we need that kit, Josh's kit, Inspire, FPV. You put the SSD back in the drone?
Let's go.
Anything given. I'm talking buried equipment. You know it's time to go get it. You never did listen, we very exquisite. Rise up if you wanna forget behind us. I'm about to go.
You want more footage? You want more?
Where they find us. Rah.
At the old town with your toe, giving them rise up. At the old town with your toe, making the rise up.
We're ready at all times to go. That's where my mind is.
Oh, quick, come on. Back to the fucking tram.
Yeah. We ready?
The color's coming up on us.
Yeah, quick.
I got my both eyes on the goal. I'm turning the tide. We ready at all times.
I see the seaside.
Time to we ride. I got my both eyes on the goal. I'm turning the tide.
Where do I point the camera?
Just get that time lapse up. That's the most important thing in it. Josh, you good? Oh!
Oh yeah, boy! Oh, the mountains! Oh, that's the opening.
That's the opening shot. Jack, keep going up. Yeah, go on.
My turn, baby.
Cacked my pantaloons just a little bit there.
Oh, I just need to warm my hands up a sec. It's so cold.
I was just explaining why we had to like quickly run by and
I got it. I was like, I don't want you to mess it either.
So me and Chris have just gone outside and we've looked for our first shot in the teaser Polaroid idea. Now this is the shot now that's going to be in Bride Prep that we come out of. And we'll keep going on and on and on until we reach the last Polaroid of the day, which will be first dance. And then we're going to take the first dance shot and stick it to this lamppost. And thus the cycle repeats.
What we gotta watch is the reflection of lights in that window. I just noticed it. Awesome.
Can't see it now.
So girls, if we can touch it, I don't want to cover Ashley's face. It'll be 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna touch glasses, be really happy, right? 3, 2, 1, go. You gotta hold the glasses there for me, right? 3, 2, 1, cheers now.
So we're on to the second Polaroid. So we're going to come out of the castle into Bride Prep. Boom. And if I press it there, this is the Polaroid that Chris just took. So can you see how I'm going to frame match that in the edit? Trust us. I think it'll work. I think it'll work.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? One last shot of this gimbal. Okay. Wow, Danny boy! Yeah!
Oh my god. That's the shot that I make. Check it over. Yep.
Over the top of you here. 3, 2, 1, kiss now.
It's all coming together.
I'm gonna have a guest hold it. It's a tough one to pull off, isn't it? Got it.
I got it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We got it.
Oh! That's gonna work. That's gonna work. That's so artsy though. That is artsy as fuck.
We need to make sure we shoot this wedding.
So Jack's on it.
You're always on camera, guys, okay?
Yeah. Can I borrow the 24 seconds?
The camera's going to start in close.
Do we look at each
So
other?
guys, you have to spread apart a little bit.
3, 2, 1, kiss.
Oh yes! I think we had it first done. Yes! Oh my god, this is gonna work so well.
No one's ever done this before.
Spokes for that highlights on the top. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. Oh, class. Perfect. You're done. You're done. I know you're cold, darling. Go.
Just hoping no one moves this. It is right in the doorway. To get my nose exploding on camera just now.
They've got, I've seen Polaroids everywhere, so they love it. They already love Polaroids.
You got on every single page. Okay, guys, listen up a sec. I'm going to move really fast. You're not supposed to be here. So I need one of the best men sat on that side for me, please. You're on the end. Give me that knee. Everyone look at me a sec. The bodies are too square onto me. Turn slightly. Alright, so I'm just going to put this behind you. Can you put that way? Yeah, when you are. Perfect.
There. That's the clip.
3, 2, 1, kiss.
Boom. Kiss.
Oh, bro. Next plan is they have a choreographed dance for their first dance. We're going to tell them they should practice it, do it there, and we're going to try and match it from the choreographed dance into the actual first dance. Happy as that. Would you give me some warning next time, please?
Boom. Oh, so good.
2 people on cake upstairs. 3, 2, 1, kiss. What we gotta do now is one more reception run and we're done. Let's go.
I think we've pulled it off. I tell you what, I can have it down lower. I think I got it. 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 Come on then, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Now to the edit room. So I got up nice and early, very excited to start editing the teaser. I've put a few clips together, it's not quite finished yet, but let's wake Chris up with a coffee and show him the edit. Come on. Hey Chris! Got your coffee here?
Rise and shining.
The fuck? Come on then.
Just gonna watch the video, Chris.
I want to see your reactions.
Wowzers. Awesome.
Oh, guys. Two-hour ferry from Cardigan to Larne, then 2.5 hours down to Dublin. So basically the entire trip is 6.5 hours. There's a ferry tonight at 8 PM, which would mean that we wouldn't get in until 2 AM if we could do it that way.
It's a lion.
Hard work.
Oh, go on, Josh.
You can see the edge is dipping one out. Oh, the drone's up. Yeah.
I'm going in the sea.
Oh, he's in. Man, it's freezing.